What's up, Cubers? Today, I am going to a Rubik's Cube competition. Well, it's tomorrow, but by the time you see this, it'll already have happened. So, anyway, I'm going to a Rubik's Cube competition in Canada. My grandparents' house. Well, I'll be staying at my grandparents' house the night before it. And then me and my dad are going to it. So, like the Vancouver Science Center or something, I don't remember. Anyway, let's go.
Here's the thing about solving the cube. It works a bit better if you add some rules. R-U-B, I-K-S. C-U-B-E, the Rubik's Cube is the best.
The Rubik's Cube competition at Vancouver Open, it's awesome. I did a radio interview yesterday with CBC, so hopefully we'll get some more people coming out to check you guys out. I am blown away with how fast you guys are. So, welcome to Science World. A few things just before we get started. We have a lot of really cool programs here available for youth and students. So if you would like to get information on those programs, we have free teen event nights. We could possibly even have a Rubik's Cube event in the near future. That would be pretty cool. Just sign up down here, leave us your email, and all that will get you is e-blasts and our newsletter. So we won't send you spam or anything else like that. You'll just get our e-blasts and newsletters. And what you doing back there? Oh, okay. Sorry.
Coaching, Kathy Picknell, Vic Yu, Riley Leonard, Peter II, Thomas Henderson, and Thomas Trammell.
I say I'm doing okay so far. I got a 7 and a 10 so I can solve my 2x2. And the rest were 20s. Or no, I got a 7, 9, and 10. And the last two were 20. And then I got like, I don't even know, like an average of 50 seconds on the 3x3 except for the last one, which was in DNF because I didn't notice the timer wasn't on. Don't tell anyone. No. And next is the 3x3 one-handed. And then later after lunch, I'm in the 5x5 round. Something really cool. Crazy Bad Cuber is here. You know, Crazy Bad Cuber. If you don't know, then
Last
you
call
suck.
for the 3x3.
No, I'm just kidding.
But
Crazy Bad Cuber does cubing videos, and he's really popular on YouTube, and I watch his videos all the time. You can't see him from here, but he was up on the stage earlier.
And then I keep the corner.
There he is. In the hat. Dang it. Move, person.
We were just wrapping up first round of 3x3 race. We'll be posting results soon, I think. And so we're going to start calling out games for first first heat of 3x3x3 one-handed.
Is there a dot or like a line or cross? Blue? And this one's soft?
I know.
This one.
So I just got back, and it is late. It's getting late, and it was really fun. I'm really tired, but it was really fun. I didn't get like in the top 5 or anything. I'm not that fast. I got like 40th place for the 3x3 because my best time of the day was like 50 seconds, which isn't bad for me. I average around 50 seconds. And my best time of the 2x2 is actually my personal record that I got today was 7 seconds, which is pretty good. Considering the world record is like 1 second, it's only like 6 seconds behind. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. You can click on the Sheldon poster right there to go watch the extended version of it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I bid you all
goodbye.